Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to delete old posts on WordPress in order to improve your site's SEO ranking. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress dashboard and remove outdated content. We begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the login option, which is conveniently positioned on the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. After clicking on the login button, a new interface will prompt you to sign in. At this point, you should select the option that says Continue with Google. This is a streamlined method designed to quickly authenticate your identity by linking your Google account. Simply choose the account you want to use for logging in, and you will be automatically redirected to your WordPress admin area. Now that you are inside your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to locate the section where all your posts are listed. This can typically be found under the Posts area, which serves as your content management hub. Once you are in the post section, you will need to narrow down the list so that you can find the outdated posts. To do this, look for the drop-down menu that displays different time ranges, usually labeled with all dates or something very similar. Selecting the correct time frame is crucial in this process, so carefully click on the drop-down menu and scroll through the options until you find the oldest date available. Choosing the oldest date will help you filter your content efficiently, isolating posts that may no longer be relevant to your current SEO strategy. Once you have selected the oldest date, it is time to confirm your choice by clicking on the filter button. This action prompts WordPress to refresh the list of posts, showing only those created during that period. With the list now tailored to display older posts, you will notice that each post has several available actions. In this filtered view, identify the trash link or the delete option associated with each individual post that you want to remove. By clicking on the trash link, WordPress will move the selected post into the trash, effectively removing it from your primary content list. This removal process helps improve your site's overall SEO ranking by ensuring that outdated and potentially underperforming content no longer affects your site's performance. Throughout this procedure, it is important to work carefully and methodically. Deleting old posts can help create a cleaner, more focused website, which search engines often reward with higher visibility and better rankings. Taking the time to manage your content regularly not only improves your website's performance, but also enhances the user experience, as visitors are presented with current and relevant information. Now that you know how to safely log into WordPress, select a date range, filter your content, and delete old posts using the trash link, your website will be better optimized for search engines. Enjoy the benefits of improved SEO and a cleaner content management system as you maintain a modern and engaging website.